Hello everyone, take the hairs, tie it on the between on the back and then rotate it like this. Fix it by folding it upward and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now tie the hairs from the sides, divide it from the between, rotate it and fix it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and fix it like this. Now take the hairs from the sides again and divide them from the between and rotate it. Now tie all the hairs, divide them into two parts, rotate the upper part and fold it and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into two sections like this, tie them into small sections and divide them into four parts like this. Now rotate them from the between one by one. Now fix them into each other from the sides and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it. Now join them together on the back and make the plaits on the upper part. Now again take the hairs from the sides and fix it like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and divide them on the sides and tie them. Now rotate them like this, make the plaits and then join them together and then tie all the hairs and fix it in the between and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, divide the hairs and fold it upward like this from both the sides. Now fix the hairs by tying it together and it's ready. Next, tie all the hairs and then pull out the hairs from the top like this. After tying the hairs in the between, we will fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into two parts and tie them and it's ready.